So as you can tell, we're leaving Congo and that area back there from the Australian. And I think next we're going to head for the reptile house. And we'll get back with you in just a little bit.
I'm sorry.
You're fine, honey. This one here is the green mamba. Very deadly. Very pretty.
Oh, okay.
What do you see down there? There's an exhibit right here.
A Malagasy leaf-tailed gecko.
Something right there.
Oh. Stuck on the window. This is Indian star tortoise and a Burmese star tortoise.
Wait, Silas, look up in the corner. It's on the glass.
Oh, that's a common one.
Turtles. I see them.
This guy here is the timber rattlesnake, northern copperhead, and a green tree python.
Amazon milk frog.
Green snake.
Python. And here's the rattlesnake. Yellow blotched map turtle and spotted turtles.
Whoa, he's climbing. Oh, yeah.
Look at that lizard. Oh,
There we go.
you already saw that lizard?
They got
Tell her.
Ready? I told you it's riding.
That's the hellbender.
All right, watch out of the way, buddy.
Not others.
Stop.
Whoa!
No buttons.
You're okay, honey.
Hellbender? Yeah, it's called Hellbender.
And this is Titicaca frogs.
There's nothing in that one, Silas.
Hey, that time we go with
Some frogs. Record snakehead turtle. And the yellow-headed temple turtle.
Alright, let's go back to that team that's going left.
Turtles. Steer his head up out of the water. Phantom pond turtle. Orient night. I know. There he is. Up by the pink light. Weber's crested lizard. And look at him.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, right there.
Well, I guess he's doing his job.
Look.
He's just sitting there looking at us. Reminds me of an iguana. So now we'll go on to the desert exhibit. And maglots and scrub pythons. Oops, sorry. You're fine. And look at this fella. It's pretty massive. Looks like he's starting to model. Shed that skin, he's not going to be happy. Red spitting cobra. Venomous. He looks pretty mean.
Holy right there.
And this one is a Mexican bearded lizard. And there's like 3 of them in there. This one here is a ball python and African naked tortoise. I see the tortoise. A little hard to see.
I saw its tongue, Daddy. It showed me its tongue.
San Astronaut Island, Chakarala.
Gia monster.
Oh, a Gia monster. I love the Gia monster.
That one's the San Esteban Island Koala.
I want to give you a kiss. Can I give it a kiss?
That's the Gia.
I want to give you a kiss.
Spiny-tailed iguanas.
Those ones are endangered. What? Blue? No, the grand cayman blue.
The other one's not, I don't know what he is. Grand Cayman blue iguana. No, that's a spiny tail. This one here is a Grand Canyon blue.
So dark and dark.
Yeah. Not very active.
Look at that thing. I want a snake.
This one here is the Florida cottonmouth.
Oh, is that big old boy?
Nice and fat. Looks like he just ate.
Landed rock.
Got his head resting on the grass. Don't want to leave him on over.
Might not be in there.
Abandoned rock.
Back in the back. One's right into sand. See right next to the green.
Oh, yep. He is right there by the base of the tree.
One's right in. Looks like a rock.
He's in the sand. I don't know if you'll be able to see him, but he's in there. There's something right there. Prehensile tailed skink. It's a lizard. Just a little sorry, baby. You're okay.
Oh, it's right there. Where? Why is it smoking?
That's warm mist. They gotta stay warm. Merton's water monitor. Not sure that I see it. Oh, there he is. He's got a pretty nice enclosure. Malaysian giant pond turtle, seed and box snake-necked turtle,
The water. Look up. Look up. Look up. See, look up there. Look there.
up there.
Well, that thing is here.
Yeah.
There's one in the water. Annan pond turtle, yellow-headed temple turtle, and a fly river, also known as the pink-nosed turtle. Yellow spotted Amazon turtle and alligators. There.
Right there. You see it? Oh, it's a crocodile.
Smooth fronted cameo. Mata Mata. That's a stingray. Freshwater stingray. Yeah.
That's whatever this is.
Looks like he's trapped.
Save some of that.
And then here's the big daddy. This is the alligator snapping turtle.
Amazon, let her get a picture, buddy.
Just trying to get a picture. Okay. Okay, get ready.
Alligator snapping turtle.
As I told you, I have to be very careful about what you do. Yeah.
I guess that's pretty much it. We're about done. You got the king cobra?
Right there, buddy.
I tried to get it. Wait, there's two?
He's right here.
Remember that one?
Madagascar giant hognose snake.
One bonus picture?
One bonus picture.
One inside there.
Yeah.
And here comes another one. Slithering his way right through.
Hurry, if you're going to get your video, get him. Just keep those space too.
I'm gonna go for one.
Oh, right here.
Cape Cobra. And this is the blood python. Blood python with a box turtle and what looks to be, oh, look at the back of him. Yuck, yuck. Children's python.
Like trying to get into the
There's one right there. And then there's one right there.
I get one more.
Turtles.
I get one more.
Yeah. I got him and I got the other one here. There's 2 of them.
Yeah, come on. Come on with that.
There's another one up here, all curled up.
The back of his tail.
There's a black rat snake in there. So, there's one.
Oh, both of them are like that.
There's a black rat snake. And we're all over Ohio. That's a group of rattlesnakes. These are just babies. Very, very little.
They're filming one right now. They're about to go. So they have to film it and
I do take pictures of the signs. That's what I'm doing all the time I do this.
Oh, here he is, right here up front. Don't push people. Stay here at the
See
my
in
Baba go.
Boston,
My Baba.
Chickawawa. Those are grasslands.
See anything?
Oh, baby.
You gotta wait in line. Oh, where? This one I'm not sure. Water snake. Oh, what are you?
Oh, there's 3.
Just a big knee rattlesnake.
Mom, there's 1, 2, 3.
I see it. You see it right here? No, they're over here. There's 2 of them.
3 of them.
3 of them? Oh, there's another one. You're right.
Eastern diamondback rattlesnake.
You see it, North?
And that's the end of the rattlesnakes.
All right, we're done with the reptile.
Love the reptile exhibit.